Hi, my name is Russ. I'm an engineer on the developer experience team, and I'm going to talk about how to extend the new Relic One platform with a custom application, as well as where to find pre-existing custom applications that you can use. So the place to start is right here on the homepage, the Build Your Own Application Launcher. There you can find an API key, as well as download the new Relic One CLI, which are the two pieces you need to get up and running. There's also some helpful pre-existing commands that you can use. I already have that installed, so I'm going to hop right over to my command line. I can run the create command and select the NerdPack option. I'm going to give it a name, and that's going to generate a project for me. So if I hop into the project, I can open it up in a code editor. And you'll see that this project has a couple different things inside it. It has two artifacts. One is a launcher, which is the tile on the home page, and the other is a nerdlet, where the bulk of the application lives. You can provide a custom icon, in your launcher, as well as make code changes in your nerdlet. In order to see those changes reflected and do development, you just have to run npm start. That's going to provide a link that I can visit. And here is a launcher that previously wasn't on the home page that's getting served from my local machine. So if I click on that, I can see the contents of my nerdlet. From there, I just need to make changes in the code. And I can see them reflected immediately. So now that my application is done, it's time for me to share it with other users in my organization. The first step in doing that is to run NerdPack publish. What this is going to do is make the application visible in the new Relic One catalog. So if I close my local development tab and head over back to the home page, I can find the new Relic One catalog right on the new Relic One homepage. The catalog is the place to find any pre-existing custom applications, as well as ones that you create yourself in your organization. Here you can see the application that I just created. We can click on it in order to get more information about it. You're going to notice that there's not a lot of information about it, and that's because we haven't provided any. But we can do that through the CLI. For that, we just need to run nr1 create once again, but inside the project this time. And we're going to select the catalog option. That's going to generate a stub in our project here underneath the catalog directory with a JSON file as well as some markdown files. There's a README file that gives a link to a doc and also more explicit instructions on exactly how to fill out this metadata. In the interest of having you not watch me type it, I'm just going to copy this from a pre-existing project. So if I hop back into the command line and run nr1 catalog submit, that's going to upload any screenshots I've provided as well as the metadata. So now that that's uploaded, I can go back to the catalog and refresh the page. We can see all this helpful metadata that I just added, including links to source code or support channels, as well as helpful screenshots. In order to actually get users using this app, any user with the NerdPack Manager role can subscribe an account to this app. In order to do that, we just click on this Add This App button. The user I'm logged in as only has access to this one account, so I can only subscribe to this one account. If you have access to more than one account, you'll be able to subscribe to more. So now if I head back to the home page, we can see that my launcher is there. This is no longer being served locally. This is a published part of the platform. If I click on that launcher, I can see my application. So that's how to create a custom application on the New Relic One platform, as well as where to find them. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.